Hello everyone. In this video, we will teach you how to make a line follower robot. First of all, you have to create a new world. So here is your new world, and after that you have to create the background lights. So you have to create the environment and you have to import the robot. So to add the background, you have to click on this button, add button. It will take a little bit time. Now go to Protonodes, then click object, then click background. You have the texture background here. So click on add. So we have the texture background here. Now we will add some lights. Okay. So the next task is to create a rectangular floor arena. So again click on this button, click object, floors and a rectangular solid arena. So it is already added over here. Now we can change the size of it. Okay, now I think it is okay. Now I will import a robot here. We will use the pre-built robot here. So you can go to here, robots. So we can use this pickaxe robot. Click on add and it is here. So this is our robot. We are going to use this one. For your final project, you have to build your robot by yourself. You are not allowed to use the pre-built robot. It doesn't have some external sensors. For a line following robot, we need some infrared sensor to detect the line. So you have to go to microbot, then extension slot. Now we will add some sensors. So we are going to use the distance sensor. It is added over here, but we have to change the position of this distance sensor. If we make it front side, this side, we can put some sensors over here. Okay, so I think this is good. And now we have to rotate it. So okay, this is okay. Now we need actually 3 sensors. Let's change the name at first. This is, I think, right sensor, so we can write it as RT, and the type will be infrared. Okay, done. And so now just copy and Ctrl V, copy and paste. And I need a sensor in the middle. This is perfectly in the middle, and this one I need at the left side. Okay, so this is one sensor, this is another sensor, and this is another one. This is middle, so let's change the name as MIDS. Okay, so let's save it. LFR. Now we will import some lines for our track. To do that, you have to go to Autodesk Tinkercad, create a new design, now you have to use this scribble over here. Now you can draw a line as you want. So here is our line. Okay, done. Make the height very low. Let's make it black. Okay, done. Let's export it, obj file. So you can download it over here. Done downloading. Okay, it's done. So now you have to go to import 3D model. Next, choose this one. Finish. So let's find where is our line. Okay, so here is our track. We need to change the size of it, so you have to play a little bit with it. So here is our track. Now let's rotate it to the x-axis. Let's align the robot with this line. So let's check the sensor now. Okay. So we can also increase the size of this track. I think this is okay. So our environment creation and line is done. Our next target is to do the code. For that you have to need to add a robot controller here. So I will use Python. I'll change the name of the controller. Next, finish. Okay. Now you have to assign this LFR. So I have already written a code. So I have to just copy and paste it over here. So in this code I have some variables. So first of all I imported robot library here. So this is already documented, and this is the value of the sensors. So I already initialized here all the devices. So this name should be the same as this one, distance sensor. So right, mid, left. You can edit over here or here. So let's make it right. Middle one. And the left one. And that's all. And this value you need to calibrate from here. So I will show you how you can calibrate from here. So if the left IR sensor value and the right IR sensor value is less than 600 and middle is greater than 600, that means maximum light is reflecting in the middle, then both motor will start rotating. So why we put it minus? Because the robot front side is in this side, so our sensor is in this side, so I need to move the robot in this side, so that's why I give it this minus side. So these are all the conditions. So in each condition it will try to maintain the path. So after saving it and saving it this, let's try to simulate this one. So you can see it is not following the line, so we need to calibrate it. So after calibrating the sensor data, I found that when the middle sensor is on the line, it gives us the 750 value. So I make the threshold around 700. So if the sensor is not on the line, then it gives less than 700 values. So if any of the sensor is on the line, it gave more than 700 values. So if we run it now, then now it started following the line perfectly. So for the calibration, you need some time. You have to check the value very carefully, otherwise it will go out from your track. And whenever you will save this file, like you will modify this file, you have to reload the world again. So that's all. Thank you very much.